coastal flood warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Coastal flooding expected. Where? Bolivar Peninsula. From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Numerous roads may be closed. Low-lying property including homes, businesses, and some critical infrastructure could be inundated. Some shoreline erosion will occur. Additional details. The best chance of coastal flooding will occur late overnight tonight into Wednesday morning and afternoon. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.